This is why you need to revamp your Amazon strategy today. Boost your visibility, skyrocket your sales, and watch your profits soar. Starting off, the secret sauce to Amazon success is all about optimizing your product listings. Make sure your titles are clear, descriptive, and crammed with key search terms that shoppers are likely to use. Next up, high-quality images are your best friend. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but on Amazon, it's worth 1,000 clicks. Make sure your product photos are bright, professional, and show your item from multiple angles. Now let's talk about pricing. Competitive pricing can make or break your sales. Keep an eye on your competitors and consider using automated tools to adjust your prices in real time. Don't forget about customer reviews. Positive feedback can significantly boost your credibility. Encourage satisfied customers to leave a review by following up via email. Lastly, leverage the power of Amazon ads. Even a small budget can increase your product visibility and drive more sales. Start with targeted keywords to reach your ideal customers. Implement these tips, and you're not just selling, you're dominating. Ready to start your journey to Amazon top seller status? Let's get to it.